Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed 10th poem, My Shadow. The poem is about a little boy's shadow. So, the little boy says that the shadow will follow him wherever he goes. And there is no use of the shadow, only one thing that he can see. And he feels that the shadow is similar to him right from the heel to the head. So top to bottom the shadow resembles him and says that the shadow will be in his bed before he jump into the bed. Next, the funniest thing about the shadow is that the way it grows. The growth of the shadow is not like the growth of the children. How a child grows, the shadow does not grow how a child grows. Sometimes the shadow will be so tall like the India rubber ball. Sometimes the shadow is so small that no one can see, that he can't see the shadow. Okay, that is about the poem My Shadow, and this beautiful poem was written by R.L. Stevenson. Now in today's session we will discuss the bits of the poem. Here, enjoy the poem. In enjoy the poem, bit A, fill in the blanks. So here the blanks are given. Now you have to fill the correct answer on the blank. So here the first question is, I have a little dash that goes in and out with me. So what do the boy have that goes in and out with him? It is shadow. So I have a little shadow. Write shadow here on the blank. SHADOW, shadow. Second one, he is very, very like me from the heels up to the. So how the shadow is? Shadow is similar to the boy, like from the heel up to the head. Write head on the blank. Now the third one, and I see him dash before me when I jump into my bed. And I see him dash before me when I jump into my bed. So I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Okay. Now let's read the fill in the blanks, children. First one, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Second one, he is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And third blank, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Okay. Now next, play with words. In play with words, bit B, like shadow, my words begin with SH. Read the clues and complete the SH words. So in the word shadow, the word shadow begins with the alphabet SH. Like that, here the clues are given and the words will also begin with the letters SH. So here the clues are given. You have to fill these blanks, missing letters, and find out what the word is. First one, we wear them on our feet. We wear them on our feet. So what do we wear? We wear shoes. So spelling of shoes is SHOES, shoes. So we wear shoes on our feet. Second one, this animal gives us wool. Which animal gives us wool? It's sheep. SHEEP, sheep. So here the third one is, we collect these from a beach. So what do we collect from the beach? We collect shells. SHELLS, shells. Next, fourth one, this is a very big boat. This is a very big boat. The big boat is called as ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Now the last one, we buy toys from here. From where do we buy the toys? From the shop. That is S-H-O-P, shop. Okay? Now let's read it, children. First one, we wear them on our feet. Shoes, S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Second one, this animal gives us wool. It's sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Third one, we collect these from a beach. And the word is shells, S-H-E-L-L-S, shells. Fourth one, this is a very big boat. And the word is, what is a very big boat? It's ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Fifth one, we buy toys from here. So from where do we buy the toys? From the shop, S-H-O-P, shop. Okay. So that is about today's class, children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Now coming to today's your homework, learn and write poem 10, bit A and B in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.